Is going to show you how to find, fill out, and submit your fitness forms. If you go down to our class announcements, there is a announcement called Student Fitness Form to download, and it explains all of the required pieces if you want to create your own, or you can just simply download the attachment that I have attached to that announcement. After it's downloaded, you can open it. Again, making sure that you are, anytime you download something from K12's online learning system, you click the Enable Editing button so that you are able to edit it. And then, like always, go to File, Save As, and then save it under your name. I would recommend saving a new one every week with the date that you have on each fitness form. So I would say L. Ovison, and then Student Fitness Form, maybe, or Fitness Form, and then 2/7/20, because that's the date that this one is due, and then hit save. From there, you can go back and edit it. So the due date would be February 7th, your name, the LC's name, and by typing the LC's name above, you are verifying that the following fitness form is true and accurate. Answer yes or no to these two questions. Did you participate in 5 days of physical activity, and was it at least 225 minutes of physical activity this week? If you only want to get a 60% passing grade, you will answer, you'll have to be answering yes to both of these. If you want a higher grade, or maybe weren't able to answer yes to both of these for a week, you can go down here and fill out the date. So let's say on Sunday, I walked my dog around Craig Loop, and I did that for 45 minutes. And at the end of the week, you will total your time, and then you will submit this. You can either go to, you can either save it as an Excel document and upload the Excel document, or you can hit export and export it as a PDF and upload the PDF version. Once you have done all of that, and you have your fitness form filled out for the week, you can go to the Tools tab and then Assignments, and you can find which assignment you'd like to submit and click on that date. Go down and add a file from your computer, and then click Upload. Go find the file that you would like to submit and hit Add, and then you will hit Submit. And that's how easy it is to submit your fitness form for the week. You can go to the Grades tab to check which ones you've submitted and have been graded, as well as any that you didn't necessarily get 100% on. You can go through and check. If you, again, like all other assignments and other classes, if you get a 1 out of 10, that means you submitted the wrong assignment. So maybe you accidentally uploaded your English assignment or your science assignment. If you got a 5 out of 10, you submitted a fitness form, but they were probably not the correct week. So I've had that happen in the past, and I'll give you a 5 out of 10, but that's not passing. So you can go back through and see that you need to resubmit something like this because it was the wrong, it wasn't the right assignment, and then you can resubmit this because you can realize that this is not the correct dates. So that's how easy it is to find, fill out, and submit fitness forms. And then also, if you just scroll down here really quickly so you can see right here, it says required to pass. And down here, it has all these daily quizzes that can be accessed by class content, and all of this is extra credit. So if you want to access the class content every week, or every day, and go in and answer the quick quiz question, which was, did you participate in physical activity today? Yes or no? You are more than welcome to earn extra credit. So just simply by going to the assessment page and then answering the quiz questions. So very simple, 1 point per day of extra credit. And it's really simple, just did you participate in physical activity, yes or no, and then click finish.